A race to find survivors after a powerful earthquake yesterday in southern Philippines. Only 4 people are officially listed as missing, but authorities say they have yet to search several collapsed buildings. The death toll for now is 38, with more than 470 people injured. The 7.8 magnitude earthquake, which centered off Mindanao, is the strongest to hit the country in half a century. Early assessment putting a damage at reporting damage to around 2,500 houses and 117 government buildings across several provinces. More than 32,000 people have been displaced. The international airport in General Santos remains shut for a second day, forcing the cancellation of some domestic flights. The US says it is coordinating with Manila and is ready to lend support. Pledges of assistance as well from France, Japan and New Zealand. Mariejo Ramos is tracking developments for CNA. She joins us live from Metro Manila. Mariejo, what's the update on rescue efforts?
Government agencies said damaged roads and structures will not stop them from delivering aid, which is now reaching affected communities through air and sea transport. The Social Welfare Department said it has worked with the Philippine Air Force and Philippine Coast Guard to airlift hundreds of family food packs to isolated areas, particularly the coastal province of Sarangani, with additional food supplies and tents on the way for displaced families. Search and rescue teams with K9 units were deployed to look for trapped people in collapsed buildings in General Santos City, among the hardest hit by the powerful quake. The Philippine National Police said it rescued at least 147 individuals and retrieved 15 bodies as of this afternoon. The National Police Force has also monitored over 22,000 individuals who have evacuated due to the quake and were sheltering in 37 out of over 1,000 evacuation centers prepared throughout the affected regions. National agencies are also focused on restoring critical services to aid rescue and relief efforts. The government has been inspecting damaged roads, bridges, and hospitals, as well as conducting clearing operations in landslide-hit roads and developing detour routes around damaged sections of key highways. Earlier, the National Grid Corporation of the Philippines said it has completed the restoration of power transmission lines toppled by the magnitude 7.8 earthquake in Mindanao.
Mariejo, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. directing agencies to prioritize the welfare of patients who are affected. You've outlined several measures already in place. What else, in terms of Ferdinand Marcos Jr., these priorities that he has outlined?
Yes. Earlier today, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. held a situation briefing with his cabinet officials and has directed agencies to prioritize hospitals, patient safety, and the rapid delivery of relief assistance. The health secretary himself flew to Mindanao to personally inspect hospitals and to assess whether their structures remain safe for patients and medical staff. The president also instructed agencies to identify alternative safe locations in case patients need to be transferred from damaged facilities. The Department of Health has already promised to deploy medical assistance team to augment manpower in affected areas. But recognizing that many patients depend on critical medical equipment and uninterrupted healthcare services, the president also directed the Department of Energy to prioritize electricity restoration for hospitals, while the Communications Technology Department said it also ensured that telecommunications connectivity remained stable in the affected areas.
Thanks, Mariejo Ramos for CNA live from Metro Manila.